The things that I really enjoy doing for my clients is helping them solve design dilemmas or design problems, which could be anything from a space challenge. For example, if there's a room or an area in the home that they'd like to be something else, or that they'd like it to have a different purpose. That's where I like to come in and help redesign that space and make it as functional as possible, so that, it's a matter of, okay, if we just move this wall here or move that door there, that we can reuse this space in a different way. That makes more sense for us instead of moving as the alternative. So that's one of the services that I specialize in, is redesigning existing plans to make them more functional for you, for the client, because ultimately, design is evolving and ever changing. And so if there's any way we can repurpose an existing space to make it make more sense for you, that is our goal. Click the link below to schedule your consultation.